Namaskar sir, welcome to CRSU International Guest House.
I want a room to book here.
Sir, this way.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Welcome to International Guest House
Thank
CRSU.
you.
How may I assist you, sir?
I have a reservation here.
Under the name of sir?
Furnished.
Can I have your ID, sir?
Yes, sure. Please, here is my ID.
Wait, sir. Let me check.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine.
How was your journey?
This was great.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. We have a reservation under your name, sir.
Okay.
And this is your registration card, sir. These are your personal details, and these are your room details, including room rate. Breakfast is complimentary, sir, and the timing will be 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. And this is your floor number. And can I have your signature here,
Yes,
sir?
sure.
Mhm.
This is sir your key card.
And my colleagues will assist you to the room, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Please
morning.
give your room key, sir.
Here is my room key.
Okay, sir.
Please give me a brief about services.
Sir, we have pool service, sir, spa
Okay.
service.
Namaskar.